out this afternoon about 6 o'clock. Makes for a long day when you start work at 6, but we're headed out to Lytle Ranch out on the Nevada desert. Got the Duramax with the gooseneck coming out here to help Spencer from SG3 Towing get a vehicle out of the Beaver Dam wash. It's washed it downstream, and so we're working our way across about 10 miles of dirt road. We've had a lot of rain in the area. There's lots of ponds and road washed out in a lot of areas, so we're just gonna sneak across here nice and easy, see what we end up with. But overall, it's not bad. You can see we've had a lot of water. But that's what happens in the desert. When you get a monsoon flow, you get a lot of water running. So we're headed out here to pick up a Ford F-350 that got rolled down the wash from the flash flood. So it should be exciting getting it loaded, dead in the water, and we'll get out here and we'll take you along for the ride. Alright, well, we found Spencer down in here. Got the cedar gnats trying to eat us for dinner. But he got a flat on the trailer he was hauling the Mini X with, so he stole my 8-lug spare and loaded the Mini X here on the triple axle. We're gonna see if we can get it down into the wash, get that Ford dug out and load it on the trailer, and take you along for the ride. Well, we got down in here as far as we want to take the old Duramax and that big triple axle, so we're going to track the skid down here, track the track hoe, whatever you want to call it, mini excavator, get that thing pulled up out of here, decide which trailer we're going to load it on, but should be a pretty good time. See how much water's been down this road. It's pretty rough. Well, you guys can see these flash floods in southern Utah, northern Nevada are no joke. This truck had water running right up over the windshield. It's pretty much a total loss. This water comes sickling down out of here. It's probably 8 or 9 feet deep.
set it out, and then we'll hook that front probably just to that thing, and
Yeah, I think it'll pull it out.
yeah, pull right out. Yeah, brand new truck.
Oh, I should get a picture of you and that thing. You stay right there. You got to get some of these.
I gotta be in some of these.
Yeah, that's a good one there.
That's not a bad tow, is it? Why does it feel like you're the only one working?
Well, it's a warm, muggy son of a gun, but we're down here at a little place called Lytle Ranch. Just got that Ford out of the wash and loaded up on the trailer. And I think the boys from Acre Brand Ranch use some of this property out here for grazing and a few things, but I thought I'd come over here and show you this desert gold. These old pickup trucks are pretty dang cool. Put them back on the road, little critter running around in there. Got that one. I got this old GMC fuel truck over here. Mercy. Pretty cool old truck. That'll be a good one to put back on the road, wouldn't it? Got a trunk and everything on it. Pretty cool. Even got the glass in it still. Amazing. Better not talk too loud. Some jerkwad will come out and destroy it. Well, just like that, we're gonna get her all done before sundown. Get back on the road again. Lytle Ranch is a little oasis out here in the desert. If you're a bird watcher, you ought to know about Lytle Ranch. It's a world-renowned bird watching place from all the migratory birds that come through. So up the road we go. Have a good old time out here. Check this out over here. Man, do we live in the prettiest place on the planet or what? And right there, folks, is my office.